Welcome back to another restock video, guys. It's about 8 p.m. right now. Hey, what's up, Chris? You at work?
Yes, sir.
Hey, you think you could open the door for me, please?
Oh, yes, sir. I'll be right there in a second.
All right, thank you.
All right, man.
All right. What's up, Chris?
Oh, shit. Hey, there we go. Damn,
how's it going?
Shit anyway.
I figure you guys would be playing fucking Switch or something.
Nah, yeah, we're actually working today.
Oh, for real? You guys already took lunch?
No, not yet.
No?
Not yet, bro. We're just in the first half. What's up with you, bro? How you doing?
Just chilling, man. Chilling right now. Damn.
Fucking everything out though, huh?
I don't know if I brought enough shit.
Man, what you bring? What you got?
Some more burritos and
Topo Chicos? What's that? Roll
topos. Damn it, we're out of the... Oh, fuck, I didn't get the regular ones. Damn it.
The regular what?
The regular topos.
The regular sandwiches?
No, the regular topos. Who's all here? Just you and Oscar?
Just me, Hector. Oscar will be sure too, yeah.
He's not here today?
Dude, the motherfucking camera was... Oh, dude, you showed up without the fucking switch on. No beers out.
I know. I didn't want to burn you guys out, you know?
Where right now, bro? Not fuck. We're all working and shit.
I didn't want to burn you guys out.
Man, hey, Wildstar. Wildstar, whatever it's called. You'd be like, man, hey, dude, I saw one of your comments, dude, because I saw your videos.
Yeah.
And it's like, where do you find a job like that?
Right, babes?
You know what I mean?
Is there any fives in here? Show it. These were picked up Monday. Somebody had made a comment that I put old ass sandwiches and shit, but pretty fresh. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fuck, I forgot we're out of regular topos.
I have a couple.
Completely out of regular.
Okay. I can pick them up tomorrow. No.
I'll go tomorrow. Bring pistol?
Huh?
Bring pistol?
Yeah.
No way, for real?
Yeah.
What was here?
Another
Oh, the
yeah,
stupid
happy.
tuna mac salads.
The what?
Tuna mac
Oh,
salad.
yeah, that's right.
Should we triple up on the chicken?
Should we? I don't know.
Fuck it.
Well, we have just enough to triple up.
I gotta order some more of those.
I gave one to my dad. He was like, esa se va buena. He saw the box. I was like, ah, here.
Try it.
Yeah. Oh, let me get them all.
Oh, okay. A couple different flavors. Which one? Chocolate for sure?
Yeah, it's chocolate for
I remember these bigger.
sure. I think they are bigger at work. The ones at work are like 700 calories. These are like
Oh, that's
460.
right.
That's crazy, huh? In a fucking muffin?
Just eat that shit. A couple bites.
That's crazy.
I think I ate a big one in like 4 bites. It was gone.
And it's still got blueberry. Next time.
Okay. Oh, I got the burritos. These were on sale.
Oh, they were?
Yeah. Like $6 off.
No way.
Yeah.
If only I have more preservatives. They gotta load it up. Where's Special Mustard at?
They're actually working today.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What else?
We have all kinds of shit right there.
Oh, DPs.
I got them in the back. How many of these?
One more.
Okay. What else is there?
What was here? Oh, the Welch's grape. I don't have any. They're all sold out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn. Okay.
Let me see the regular topos.
We got 4.
Bummer. This shit.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I always do that. Powerades. Okay.
I think that's it.
That's it?
Yeah. Oh, actually, put some here, the lemon ones. Okay.
Might as well, huh? Another one? You got one more.
Yeah.
Protein, huh? Lean body, slick deal.
$1.
Oh, yeah. Here. Oh, wait.
Do I have oh, give me some of those sweet tea.
Okay. Sweet teas. And you need Celsius. Watermelon.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Not just the sodas, huh?
Yeah, the Dr. Peppers.
Okay.
This tape won't work on this shit.
Put it on stick. We need capped on.
Yeah, capped out on stick. Damn it. What kind of pisto did you bring?
Just 4 different hazies.
What's up with this fucking... Oh, it's open.
Somebody? What if we do this for optics? Give them the illusion of a choice.
Like it.
I'm gonna go hit them up. Oh, I didn't know the other fool was here today.
How many did you bring?
4?
That's cool. Give it to him.
Huh?
Give it to him. Oh, what the fuck is all this water right here, bro? See that shit? All that condensation? You brought 4?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck it, we could split one.
Alright, yeah, I'm down for that. That sounds good.
I dried it up.
What's up,
What
man?
up, man? Chilling?
What's up, YouTube? What the fuck going on, bro? Hey,
What's
right
up,
here.
Oscar?
How you doing, man?
Chilling, man.
Yes, sir.
Lunchtime or what?
Yeah, a little break from lunch. Yes, sir. Damn. Oh, shit.
Oh, you just got random shit?
Yeah, I just got random fucking. I picked all hazies. What is this? Oh shit, this looks good, bro. I haven't tried this one.
That's right.
Damn. Go ahead, go ahead. Pick.
That's what I said.
You guys have like a little cup or something?
Oh, they got the big ass They probably.
I gotta go back tomorrow, bro. Fuck Niner fucking today. Cheers, dude.
Pour in a cup. What is this? Oh, it's stone.
Split.
Split too. We're all gonna split that.
Fuck, somebody better destroy that. Split.
Are those from next door? These were here? Are these from next door?
Oh yeah, they no, the silver one. Yeah, right.
Oh, the silver one? What the fuck is this?
That's we took the label.
Oh, I'm like, damn, black can, no label?
Check out the
Shit. And they didn't say shit to you guys?
Hey, Logan, the day you guys came in here earlier, he's like, bro, I see you guys when you have the beer wall. I'm like, yeah, you're a show, man.
That's sick.
Seen it, bro. I haven't seen it.
Hell
Yeah,
yeah.
guys. Damn, that's right.
Damn, no wonder you guys couldn't hear us. It's fucking
Oh, yeah.
loud in
They
here.
were bumping in there, too. Oh, these
Oh, you hadn't seen it? It's because it's been at the shop a lot of the time. Yeah. Fucking just shit.
That's what happens with new vehicles, bro. They gotta go to the shop at least 5 times, bro, before you can really like.
High maintenance.
Damn, bro, it's like having another girl.
Yeah. Exactly.
You like it though?
Yeah, I do. When I have it, yeah.
When I have it. Hey, where's it come around?
Yeah, I had the Tacoma. Yeah. Thank you. I think the last time you were here, I had a fucking rental. When you were working over here and I came. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah, you didn't come out. But yeah, I had a rental. Open it, it's open. I think it's, yeah, it's open. It should be open. Oh, there you go.
Oh, you can hold the seats.
Yeah.
Damn, that's a lot of. How much that over here? Big enough to smash in the back.
Yeah, that's big, dude. You put a mattress there and just knock out, you know? Yeah, because of how wide, yeah. That's why they had this too. Yeah. Yeah. It also has one in the middle. Like in the middle seat. You pull that one down. Yeah. Shit ton of cup holders.
Struck, man.
Yeah.
You like it more than the other one?
Yeah, it's bigger, quicker. Maybe not as reliable, but yeah, those are stock tires.
Yeah, bro, Ford did it right with the fit, man. Look at that.
Yeah, barely. Yeah.
It's nice. Smart too. Oh yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah. A month now? Yeah. Oh, that's Magic Carp. Magic Carp.
The Pokemon.
Yeah.
That's how the horn is.
Yeah. TRX comes with 37, so stock. Yeah. The R. The supercharged. Yeah. Yeah, it is fucking pissing contest. You guys got work today or what? You guys got work today?
Yeah, there's work, man.
There, it's just like a couple hours on it.
Yeah, it's just
You guys are coming into it.
no, honestly, man. Yeah, I was like, wait, they said they might be back on Wednesday.
Wednesday.
That's late, you know? Like,
Like yeah, they ain't showing up.
yeah. And then there's gets a call that you're here. And shortly after that, the mirror got here too. Yeah. Hell yeah.
I could, but you guys were fucking
Jamming out.
jamming out to the fucking Humpty dance.
Hell yeah.
I was like, oh shit, they don't hear me. I was like, fucking, I'm on.
Oh, you saw us when we were there?
Oh, it's open? I always thought it was closed.
Oh, that door, yeah. I know, I just feel like,
Yeah,
bro.
because I saw you guys like in your regular like street gear.
Oh, yeah, we never been there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I was like, oh, okay, someone just from the door.
Oh, that's right, because they usually put the bunny suit.
Yeah, what it is?
Yeah.
Bunny suit, bro.
Yeah. That's what we call it at work. We have to wear the same shit. Then we call it the bunny suit, yeah. Mm-hmm. The Breaking Bad, yeah.
One day I was like, we want some beers, let's rock in without it. Chris saw me, we got the money together. I can never wear it again. And then I think it was like one of the owner's brother, he saw him, remember Will? Yeah. He's like, he just walked in one day, like, oh, so you guys keep up on the suits on.
Super casual too.
Yeah, it's like,
Well, like you said, I agree too. Like, it's mostly for our safety, so we won't get our clothes dirty, juice, and all this stuff.
Oh, yeah, smelling like it, yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. In reality, it's like
But it smells good.
it smells good. It don't really smell too much anyway.
Yeah.
At all.
if we do, it's
Yeah, exactly.
I'm
Going
gonna,
on YouTube.
yeah, I'm gonna edit it out. But, so.
You always said that. At least it's not around with it.
Hey, bro. You know what? It might be cool to like add some cameos of like you know, like this part of it.
Hey, that crew's the best. Fucking bitch ass crew. 66,500 fucking dollars.
That crew's the best. No. That's karma for saying.
Set the price.
They probably thought, oh, yeah, they're bringing in the whole thing full.
It's like, all right, just plug it in. Go ahead.
That's what they do.
Go ahead. First day's free.
I think I walked in when you guys.
Have at it, fellas.
You see Rock all up in the video?
Everybody knows me.
Yeah, everybody.
Rock, you pumped 7,000 bottles today.
Oh, somebody said that?
Yeah, that
Fucking big boy, fucking fat boy.
Joe.
Yo, Eloy.
Oh, the guy that was vaping.
Oh, really? Oh,
It
shit.
was like giving everybody shit. Like, all these guys don't do shit. They're just that fool's a time.
Oh, fuck.
Nobody liked him.
Yeah. Fuck that dude.
Fat Joe. That was the camera.
Yeah, yeah. Fat Joe?
He was like this.
Yeah, bro.
First one, I was like,
It's like, hey, Rob, pump 7,000 or 7,000. What the fuck does that mean? Like 7,000? Bro, come on, man. Like,
Rock's like, yeah.
he's like, good stuff, bro.
First,
come to buddy, my ass, like, get laid off. Like, there you go.
Like, that's
Keep working hard.
$7,000. First one out.
You guys ever see that dude or no?
I don't remember. We really didn't come restock during the day.
You guys probably didn't see that.
Yeah.
Look, these fools come on our time, bro. Like, if you go back to
Yeah.
Hey, Rob, finish your balls. You know what it was? He probably saw the camera. He's like,
I think in the video he said something about your beard too. Like I don't know. He said. Look at
Oh, I remember that. I remember. Yeah. I do remember that. Yeah. He was like, "Oh, I got one too," or something like that. And, yeah.
He always said like, "No,
shit." It's that guy, bro. It's that guy.
Oh, okay.
You know what this? Suck it
Yeah.
down. Nobody liked you.
Yeah, I remember now.
I do like I guess when they explain, he was even like working by himself.
Oh, really? Is that why the table got backed up?
He got all pissed
Well,
off.
that's what it was, bro. Like everybody else will take their breaks.
Everybody's
and he
taking
was
a
the
little
only
long break.
person
Nobody
who was
cares
staying there,
except
bro.
that dude.
So I would come in sometimes, bro.
Like,
and
bro,
this fucking
take your
table
break.
would just
It's
back
not
up.
that serious. Yeah.
Back up hella bottle.
Come on, man.
Like he'll take 10 minutes. Oh, I gotta go back.
He had a pretty decent break here, you know? Like, no one's really timing as long as you get back to a certain time.
Yeah.
But this dude literally never was awake. You know, he's always being there. You know, he took like a 30 finger to his head. Like, Rock gave him like a, in charge of the clean room.
Yeah, right.
Dude, ran with that,
He
huh?
ran with that, bro. Yeah, he ran with it. The reality is like, why?
Hey,
Like,
that fucking senior 20. Fucker. You're hit for it. Piece of shit.
It was just like, dude, you're doing too much, you know, for like as good as you are.
Well, your motherfucking bitch ass is making fucking 19, fucking 70 bucks an hour, bro. Like, what the fuck, like?
He was like, dude,
Yeah,
he was
you
like,
start showing everybody.
you know, like, why are you acting like that, man? You're young as fuck. Like, this is your first job. You told me this is your first job. Why are you acting this way? Yeah, that's what he told me.
First one,
How old was he? He was old? Oh shit. He did, yeah. Yeah.
hey, look, dude. Logan was sitting there bringing some labels. I was like, what the fuck is that? He had this fucking group, fucking thing going on. Well, it makes it easier to fucking figure it out. Like, I had no problem. Fucking no problem. I looked at the fucking labels and it's just like, you know, where it's rounding up. It's just fucking like, it's fucking huge, dude. There's no inner side, bro. It's like some pyramid shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking at it, I'm like,
Remember last year when he printed when he stacked it up on his desk, the pyramid, we made a whole fucking stack about like 5 feet high. Remember that?
bro,
Yeah.
bro, Theo. That chick had some bullshit going on, bro. She was printing fucking labels out of her fucking ears, bro. I'm over here fucking looking for shit that doesn't even exist. And she had me stressed out to give me shit about why I didn't fucking print it.
She made it up though, like she was cool, and
There was
it was
box.
pretty good.
Box, yo, like big ass box. Shit that didn't even exist, yo. I'm fucking bro. I'm over here up and down these fucking ladders. I'm looking at this shit. Dude, 3 weeks in. She was bad. She was bad. And bro, we didn't even finish all that shit. There was a fat ass fucking, there was a fucking part. Shit didn't even get taken out. And I'm like, she gave me shit one day, bro. She gave me shit. She hit with the finger, like, I'm over here looking at the computer.
Wait, like that, bro?
Like that.
Come here.
Like that, you know what I mean? It's like I fucked up. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was my bad. You know who fucking owned up to it? Marianne. Marianne was like, oh, hey, that was my bad. I looked at both those bitches like,
Trying to blame me.
my bad, right? Like, I'm looking for it. Fucking sorry.
This shit has like a mango like flavor or something.
That's one that Chris got. That's the second cook.
Yeah. It's pretty tasty. Chug
Yeah,
it.
it's pretty
Chug,
good.
chug, chug.
Well, has like a mango.
One of these, yeah, bro.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Run it.
Let's run it.
I want to see that name tag again. No, I'm good. I'm good.
The one from next door?
Oh, I had one of those. Fuck, that thing fucked me up.
Yeah?
Like half a beer, that shit was like, oh
You guys
fuck.
have the lighter?
What do you got?
Water? Yeah.
Regular beer, like fucking Pacifico.
Okay.
Regular shit.
Oh, hell yeah. They got like
Or like 4.5, 4.
805. I like 805 too. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was.
Remember, if you win,
No, you fucking. If I win, you're gay. That's the only explanation, bro. Actually, I made that motherfucker for that fucker Danny. Danny, he's not here. Day crew, making juice.
It's a point system, Eloy.
it's a long battle.
It's not even size. It's just
Smash ball uses your power.
Oh no. What the hell? Damn.
Hell, I'll let you know. See if I can know why? The first one is. Oh, dear. Oh, shit. Hey, there's a rock. No. Damn. Granny comes
Oh, come on. Somebody run it. Here. Recto usual. I didn't know that they delivered beer.
Yeah, man. DoorDash? Yeah.
How do they verify you're 21?
I think they put in the ID in the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I think the last time we got an alcohol delivery, when Hector ordered it, they didn't park it in the machine. I don't know if they parked it this time, but sometimes I guess.
I don't think they carded it. Really? I don't know. He just went. He came back real fast.
I wouldn't fucking card him and be like, hey, I don't care.
That's the same thing I would say now. You're in worse alcohol.
Blue shirt, that's you?
Yeah.
Let's see what other gamer tags they have.
What do you do? Oh, right here.
Best bone there.
These are your salon. These are Chris's blue shirt. Julio. Almost. Flag.
What's that?
The snacks. Super Saiyan. And cheese. D. Master D. Beauty. Cat. Bags. Twinkie.
Bags?
What? Daddy. Bravzilla.
Where's Rock Hard? Oh, that's a different console? That's that console over there?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the one that's put in right now is Chris's. The other one is some deep drive. Isn't it down?
Oh, this one has more characters. I just noticed that.
Wait, you switch the playlist? 10 minutes? Oh, fuck that. Oh, fuck that. Let's do a 5 5-minute.
Does it have more characters?
Yeah.
I think this is it, bro.
But the characters are in different order than the other one.
What, the Joker.
Is it because there's more?
Yeah, Chris has the bot characters. You have to pay for them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so he has like
Oh, I thought that was
buy the
Android?
17.
yeah, he has a bunch of like characters you can pay for.
Oh, okay. So he has all of them.
Yeah, all of them.
The fuck is that? Is that a 12 pack?
Yeah,
6-pack. Grab one. You want one?
Where did that come from?
Somebody dropped them off.
Hey, we had our boss today, bro. This lady's like, hey, I dropped over for. Oh, fuck.
That's it, man.
It's for you. That for fucking cracking shit like it was nothing.
Cheers.
Thanks for coming, man. This is
Honestly, man, this is dope, man.
We still gotta go into the studio, bro.
You good, Chris?
Yeah, we got this.
Fuck yeah. Oh, yeah, let's go.
No.
Wait, what happened?
It slipped out of his hand.
Yeah, I had fucking. I don't know how many times I party foul.
This is when?
Yeah. Damn, it's on film too. That's the crazy.
Yo! Why are you bringing old shit?
It's on film. I'll edit it out, Chris. Don't trip. I got you, dude.
Hey, he's gonna edit it out, dude.
We're back.
Yes, sir. Oh no, let's go.
Let's get it. Where are the other players at?
We got 2 more. 5 heads. 2 more.
Where's the controllers?
Oh, fuck. It is a 5-head?
Famous.
Shit.
Yeah,
Me.
that's good.
Hey, you gonna suck.
This will forever be my tag.
Why are you player one? Pick a name.
It's rocks.
Make a name. Make a name, bro. That's her. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up.
Take 5.
Bigger.
Oh, yeah, my bad.
Player 5 beat today.
Let's go, let's go.
Sorry, bro. Oh, you're good. Oh, shit.
3 lives.
Damn, this is hectic. There's a lot of people.
That's what it is.
I didn't know you could play this many.
Yeah, me either.
What's the max you could play?
I think 8.
Damn, that's a lot.
You pick a small field, a small battle.
I know, right?
First one, of course.
That's raps.
I think I'm gonna head out.
Yeah, bro?
Yeah. You gonna stay for the pizza?
No, I was just gonna.
Alright, Oscar. Peace out, bro. Thank you. Hope Chris is okay.
Yeah, I have no idea where he's at.
Where do you want me to leave this? Right here in the steps?
Yeah.
Well, see you next time, bro. Yeah. Yeah. I gotta go. I killed one. Don't let Chris have any more. Yeah, he's done. He's done, dude. What time are you guys out? 12. Oh, he should be good by then. If he doesn't keep drinking. Yeah. Yeah, man. We'll see you next time, man. Thank you.